Hola, hola. So yes, I've been getting a lot of questions on how to wear this Starlight Huggie. Some people call it do-rag, some people call it a scarf. We call it a Starlight. So let's get into it. First up for this tutorial on how to wear the Starlight, you want to, whether you have hair or not, you can wear it. This is what it looks like. It's got two strings, one on the left and one on the right. And then the center is the hooded part that goes over your head. So for this first tutorial, we're going to show you how to wear it just as a normal head tie. You want to line it up just on the top of your head. And then you take the two strings, pull them to the back and crisscross like an X. And then you wrap and bring them up to the front, like so, like that. And then you crisscross like an X and you turn it to the back and just make a little bow, like if you were tying your shoe, just like this. And then you can leave the center part hanging down if you'd like, and voila, all done. Just as easy as that. And you can wear it with it down, whether you have hair or not. Very lightweight. Let's get into the second one. So for this second one, you want to again line it up right with your head, and then you've got the two strings, you've got the center part. What you want to do is take the center part, and excuse the camera work here, but you take the center part, gather it together. If you've got hair, you want to gather it right on the top of your hair. If you don't, just at the base of your neck. You twist once, you twist twice, and then you grab it. And as you're holding it in the back, you just follow it along the side of your head, right over the top to the side, and it should end like right by your ear, right behind your ear. You hold that part down, take one of the strings and wrap it across the opposite side of your head so that it comes up and over, and then you're going to just rest it right on the piece that you were holding with your hand. So once you rest it there, you go and you get the second strap, and then you bring it across the opposite side of your head. Hopefully it's not confusing, but you bring it across if you can find it. Might have better luck than me, but once you've got it, bring it up and then cross it over the piece that you're holding down and up over the top of your head. And then what you want to do is pull them both to the back and do what? You guessed it. Make a little bow, like if you were tying your shoe. And once you've done that, then you are all set. You've got the second way to wear the Starlight. Ta-da! Love it. All right, my lovelies, let's get into the third way to wear it. All right, so for this one, this is my favorite way to wear it. If you've got hair, or if you don't, you want to grab the two ends of the center piece.
Over
can also push it back up off of your forehead too to give it a little 1-2. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.